PM Modi unveils India's first private orbital rocket, Skyroot's Vikram first to boost India's presence in global space market. Haryana becomes new hub for big investments. Tesla launch marks major step in state's industrial expansion. Bright economic outlook for India. IMF sees 6.6% growth and stable prices ahead. Namaskar, welcome to Heavies. I'm Sashira. You are watching Business Talk. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday introduced India's first private orbital rocket Vikram First through video conferencing. The rocket has been developed by the private space company Skyroot Aerospace. Vikram First is 26 meters tall and will be launched in 2026. It can carry up to 300 kg of satellites into Earth's orbit. PM Modi also inaugurated Skyroot's new Infinity campus in Hyderabad, Telangana. This campus will be used for designing, developing, integrating and testing launch vehicles. Skyroot's head office is also located here. Skyroot Aerospace was founded in 2018 by Pawan Chandana and Bharat Dhaka, both former ISRO scientists and IIT graduates. PM Modi said India's private space sector is moving forward with incredible speed and ambition. The Infinity campus of Skyroot represents the new and bold innovation journey of our nation. PM Modi said, "Our youth are fearless, take risks, they trust their abilities, and today their success is in front of the entire world. ISRO has led India's space missions for decades, and now we are strengthening this journey by opening the space sector to private companies with a forward-looking space policy. Young Indians are using every opportunity for the progress of the nation. Today, more than 300 space startups are shaping our future, developing technologies that once seemed impossible. India's Gen Z engineers, coders, engineers and scientists are creating a new identity for the country. The world now recognizes India's private space sector as a strong and attractive global destination for satellite services and space innovation. This is a proud moment for every Indian. India's space sector now has over 300 startups working in different areas. Some key startups developing launch vehicles include Skyroot Aerospace, Agnikul Cosmos, Bellatrix Aerospace, Dhruva Space and Astrogate Labs. In 2022, Skyroot launched Vikram S, a suborbital test rocket that reached 100 km altitude. Vikram First will now be India's first private rocket to reach orbit and carry satellites. Agnikul Cosmos developing the Agniban rocket for launching nano, micro and small satellites. Its fully successful launch is still awaited. Haryana Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini on Thursday officially inaugurated Tesla's first experience and delivery center in the state of Gurugram. He was present as the chief guest and welcomed the world-famous electric vehicle company, calling it a moment of pride for Haryana. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister said that Cyber City Gurugram is moving towards a new level of development. He said it is a proud moment that a globally renowned company like Tesla has opened its center in Gurugram. This is the first Tesla center in Haryana and the CM warmly welcomed the company. The Chief Minister also said that Haryana has now become a major hub for both national and international investors. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India has reached new heights of development and Haryana is also progressing very fast. He shared that before 2014, Haryana's export value was only 17,000 crore rupees, but in 2025 it has crossed 2.75 lakh rupees crore. Talking about industrial growth in the last 11 years, he said that Haryana is now a major center for important industries. During this period, 12,20,872 MSMEs have been established in the state. To support industrial growth, the government has fully implemented the ease of doing business system and created a separate MSME department. The CM added that a new special leasing policy is being prepared to reduce the cost of doing business and make it easier for companies to get industrial plots. The Chief Minister expressed confidence that Tesla will play an important role in Haryana's rapid development. The new Tesla Center will help boost the electric vehicle sector in Gurugram and create new job opportunities. Cabinet Minister Narbir Singh also said that under the BJP government, Haryana is being the most preferred destination for investment. The arrival of a global company like Tesla shows that Haryana has excellent law and order, strong infrastructure and stable policies. The International Monetary Fund has said that India's economy will remain strong even with global challenges and uncertainty. In the financial year 2025-26, India's real GDP growth is expected to be 6.6%. In the next year, it may slow down slightly to 6.2%. In its latest World Economic Outlook report, the IMF also said that inflation in India will remain under control. According to the report, India will continue to be one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. After 6.5% growth in 2024 to 25, the GDP in the first quarter of 2025 to 26 has already grown by 7.8%. This is because of strong domestic demand and better economic conditions. The IMF said that global slowdown and geopolitical risks will not impact India much. India's strong domestic factors make the economy resilient. A key point in the report in inflation, the IMF said that headline inflation is projected to remain well contained. This means prices are expected to stay stable. Inflation in India is already close to the RBI's target, which will help improve the economy. Low and stable inflation increases consumer confidence and supports investment. Before the IMF, the World Bank and Reserve Bank of India has also raised their growth estimates for India. The World Bank increased its FY26 forecast from 6.3% to 6.5% due to strong consumption and GST improvements. The RBI increased its forecast from 6.5% to 6.8%. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habits. Namaskar.